Jamal Ali, who will talk to us about infrastructure asset management decision support system. Jamal is currently a leader in the infra-asset solutions field. He has graduated from Staffordshire University in the UK with a Bachelor of Science with honours in computing. He started very young his professional career, and therefore he has had extensive experience already in the IT field and in building complete software programs and packages from conceptualization to design to implementation and to customization, and placing them where they belong in order to work well. He has done a variety of applications, including facility maintenance and management systems for Google USA, with latest mobile technology involved, customized and implementation of facility management and maintenance software for Johnson Control Asia Pacific, and some of the cases that he has worked on. Jamal has also been involved in detailed design, architectural and implementation planning of software packages for the maintenance processes of engine and transmission in oil and gas industry, for customizing software to suit the process of oil and gas maintenance activity. Clearly, he has a terrific experience, and he's currently going to talk to us about his decision support system. Jamal.
Thank you, Dr. Grivas. Very good afternoon. I see most of us are very tired, already in a sleeping mode. Okay. This is quite a technical presentation, so I don't want to bore you to that, and I try to make it as simple as possible, and I try to confuse you more on decision support system, if possible. That was a joke actually. Okay, just to get you all up back to listen to whatever I'm going to say, I would like to run a short video clip for your view. First video, please.
Forgot your receipt.
Checkout lines. Who needs them?
Have a nice day.
This is the future of e-business.
Does anyone understand what the video trying to portray? Anybody? I'm not trying to teach how to steal in a supermarket, obviously. Okay, basically what the video says is, this is kind of technology that we have at the moment. Okay, that first slide. Okay, there are 6 items that I would like to share with you today. First, I'll be introducing what is a decision support system, and then I'll look into what are the framework, and then obviously we have a framework, then we will have challenges with that, and then we will brief through decision support system flow. It's a system flow, a process flow. Then I'll show you what is the current trend in our industry. Then we will look at what is future. First, okay, the guy already starts scratching the head. I don't know what is that. Okay, it's basically just a tool, a computer application which is supposed to ease us in making decisions. Sometimes they just get out of hand and you become more complicated. To make a right decision, obviously the system should have a quality information. When you input quality information, you will get a right or somewhere accurate the results. Decision support systems supposedly to help asset managers to make better decisions by using historical and current data from the internal information system and also from the external source. Okay, this framework comes from the National Resource of Construction. It shows us what are the most important things that we should have in the system. Obviously, what do you own? Every asset owners or operators should know what they own, and they should know where exactly it is. That is the most important thing. Second, you also should know what is the worth of the current assets and what is it differed also. The condition obviously is an important issue. We have a maturity network, asset management that just came into picture, and we have infrastructure for 50 years, 60, 70, even 100 years. Moreover, we need to know what is the condition as per today and what is the remaining service life for this asset when it going to collapse. The last part is what is the thing that I should fix first. How do I derive this result? What I should fix first? How to determine? Based on the facts, historical data, or an assumption. Or our best contractor friend will say, fix lah, just do lah, boleh lah kita tukar lah. Okay. Theoretically, this could achieve by using the latest inspection details, which will provide us with the criticality level of an asset. Also by using the life cycle analysis method, which predict the lifespan of an asset. There are several methods that we can use. Next slide, please. Which are the expert system. Okay, I can see a lot of people are saying what this IT jargon is. It's quite simple. It's a system. Let me explain how the expert system works. It will take a defect which is captured into the system, and the system process the defect with some sort of rules, which later produce a result. This result will be handled by another set of rules, and this chain reaction goes on until the system derives to the final conclusion. Then you have a case-based reasoning stall, a set of problem. You provide the computer with a problem, it go and search for knowledge base, for information, previous history, it compares, contrasts, and gives you an answer. This allows decision-making purpose solution, a problem, quickly without needing the needs to allow solution from scratch. You don't need to go from scratch. You can just ask any question based on the knowledge base it has. It will give you information. Then you look at fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic. Some people say, I don't even know what is a simple logic. What is this fuzzy logic? I'm getting confused here. Fuzzy logic is simply a method of comparing different set of metrics, different set of scenario. Then it produces the result. It's a mathematical equation. Only a mathematician will understand in detail. But as for now, it's just a simple matrix which compares different scenario, and it has a knowledge base which will produce a result. And you also can do predictive maintenance. To do a predictive maintenance, you need exactly a high quality data. If you don't have that, we cannot do predictive maintenance. To predictive maintenance, we can prevent component or system from malfunctioning and ensure the intended functions can be carried out throughout the service lifecycle. Predictive maintenance also avoid excessive cost normally incurred by corrective maintenance. Next. To do all this, we will pull a big string. These are the challenges. We have a maturity networks, which the assets are about trillions worth. It also increase of accountability. The customer are asking, what is happening my next door? Everything is collapsing. Okay, increase public expectation. And then the most common thing we hear is, there is no enough budget. There's no budget for this. How are you going to do? We are hardly surviving the operation maintenance. How are we going to do this? And we also have limited resources. Okay, let's look at the current trend of decision support system. Next slide. Next. Okay, we have input that normally comes from our history, recorded history, inspection data. It goes inside, and then the engine process it with a distribution system, advanced modeling, analysis tool, GUI, GIS, also then it will come out with output. This is the typical decision support flow. Whatever goes in, comes out with a result. We'll look at the current trend. What's really happening in the industry at this point of time. Next slide, please. Data is collected. I have put in days, number of hours it takes based on our average. Data is collected. It's stacked up in the office in a file, and then our pretty keen staff will key in the data inside the system. They will process it, and then the next day or day after will come to the decision makers with a stack of file, and he will be holding his head. Yeah, I need to do this.